It is Wednesday, July 4th, 2012. Happy 4th of July, YouTube. This is the in-depth video of the ductwork and the thermostats in the rental house in Cape May. This is the thermostat for the gravity furnace that is separate from the central air. As you can see, it's a heat-cool thermostat, but it's only used for heat. Right now it is off. Old Honeywell thermostat, probably a mercury bulb. That's my cousin singing to her kid. Everyone is in the 4th of July spirit.
Keep your eye on the candle flash. Oh, that'll be the video. Whoops.
This is what the AC vents on the first floor and in the basement look like. They're these mini duct high velocity systems. And it is blowing nice and cold.
They might turn it up.
Alright. Then there's another one over here. They're all over the house. Actually, there's a couple on the second floor too, but then the rest are
Charlie, going to the beach?
yes.
To the front, to the back, to the seat, stop, back, to the front, to the back. I will go find out.
My cousin's 2.5-year-old daughter loves the air conditioning.
My mom wants the air conditioning.
Say central air.
Central air.
That's right.
This is.
That's a Bryant air conditioner.
I can't sit on it.
You like the air conditioning, don't you?
I need to eat a cracker.
Yeah, my cousin's daughter loves the AC. Though don't keep your foot over that, it might screw up the AC. Pretty cool, isn't it? Literally and figuratively. Want to see the... I'll show you the outdoor units later. Alright, the gravity furnace. This is the ducting, some of the ducting for the gravity furnace.
That aren't locked. And what tarp? Right up here? Right in here. Oh, there's a tarp and they're two good sides. Oh.
Unfortunately, all that stuff is behind locked doors. There are two of the ducts right there. And you can really feel it good right here. It feels good on the back of my head. That is the view out the back. Actually, technically, that might be the front. And this just has conventional ductwork. There's a return air duct. And I don't know if the floor furnace goes to the 3rd floor or not. I really don't know if the floor furnace goes to the 3rd floor. Pretty sure it does. I seem to remember it saying that it was heat and cool on the 3rd floor, but
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.